So, exciting day. I guess this is like the first official build for my channel. Something like that. You can't tell, purchased me a new car. It looked great at 11:30 last night. And she looks like a crusty turd today, but you know what? I'm good with spending a ton of money on something, so let's make it happen. That's gross. I don't know anything about it, so I showed up, gave him money, drove off. Didn't test drive it or anything because there's like 2 of these for sale in this province. And one is, there's not much of it left. There's not much of this one left either, but has some good sides, so let's take a boo. Let's take a look at her. Probably just be its own separate video, and then I gotta start building it, and it'll be a different video. So come with me, shall you? So this little nugget, low miles, that's kilometers. Interior, beautiful. Not so much headliner. Interior, gorgeous. Beautiful seats. So you'd think, wow, this truck's in great shape. And I gotta tell you, it looks like it, but it's not. Oh, alrighty. This is an 89 Jeep Comanche, 4-liter 4x4 AW4 NP231. That's all I know about it. It's got 35s on it now with no lift, so she's tight. It's got these cutout fender flares, so that's the only reason I can actually steer this. Pretty much stock, just rims, tires, fender flares. And I can't wait. I cannot wait to start throwing money at this thing. This is my little nugget. Get home, gonna tear into it, see what there is to go on and what needs to be fixed. Mirrors, stuff like that. And just shit, start burning up the old credit card today with a ton of parts, but that's neat, didn't know that was a thing. So, tons of videos to come for this thing. There's so much I want to do. If anyone's familiar with my last Jeep, that thing was pretty much done to the 10s. No, done to the 9s, we'll say. This is gonna go 10s. This one's gonna get a nice healthy surprise, and probably next year. But for now, this thing had I just love these seats. This thing was pretty much a barn car, so brand new, sat there in a barn. The outside rotted and the inside's mint, so let's go home and start wrenching. Thanks for watching. Keep your eyes out. We're gonna transform this little turd.